guys, doesn't this look delicious? Well, this is a green tea frappuccino, same thing you can get at Starbucks. However, this is keto, zero carbs, sugar-free, and delicious. Did you know that green tea boosts energy, burns calories, increases focus, lowers stress level, improves skin health, and even supercharges immune system? I mean, I think we all could use a little bit of green tea in our life right now. So I'm gonna share with you how to make this delicious, zero carb, green tea frappuccino. Blended. That's how quickly it does. Like, I mean, completely blended. Sometimes there'll be like a chunk of ice or so in the bottom, but this is seriously amazing.